This is exactly how you sell anything to anyone. This works for any product, any market. Let me show you using the Parker IM Premium Pen. First, sell the moment. You don't need this pen every day. You need it when a decision becomes permanent. Signing a contract, sealing a deal, writing a vow. High-stakes moments amplify perceived value. When the moment matters, people reach for something that feels worthy of it. Second, sell the convenience. No smudges, no skipping, no thinking. It just works. Imagine a smooth, confident line where hesitation used to be. Ease reduces mental effort and becomes the silent reason people prefer one product over another. Third, sell the status. This is the pen that signals taste and attention to detail. It's subtle. A pearl lacquer body, gold trim, the signature arrow clip. Small signals shape how others perceive competence and success. A thoughtful choice says more than words do. Fourth, sell the pain. Cheap pens fail at the worst time. Blobs, skips, embarrassment. This Parker won't. Avoiding loss feels more urgent than chasing gains, so remind people what they'll avoid by upgrading. Fifth, sell the identity. This is the pen for people who like to feel prepared. For the people who keep a notebook, who plan, who sign with intention. People buy products that reinforce who they believe they are. Make that identity visible. Finally, sell the outcome. This pen helps you write clearly and confidently when the moment actually matters. The result is a steady hand, a clean signature, a polished impression. People buy results, not features. Master these 6 techniques and you can sell anything to anyone. The product changes, but human psychology stays the same. Want to make the moment memorable? Put a Parker IM Premium Pen in their hands.